Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to view two documents side by side in MS Word document. So friends, to view, firstly open your first MS Word document, then open second document. Now click on view, then click on view side by side. That's it. So very simple and easy method friends. We can view MS Word document as side by side. Very simple and easy method. Firstly, first open first document, then open second document, and in here friends, in the view option, you will see the home. Click on view and select side by side. And if you want to close side by side, so again click on this side by side icon. So you will see two documents together. That's it. So hopefully friends, you like this video. By this simple and easy video, we can know how to view two documents side by side in MS Word. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel for latest update.